with Beachside Custom Vans. I'm really excited to show you our newest van build today. It's officially for sale, so for more information, look down at the links below. This van is a 2024 all-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter on a 144 wheelbase and comes with the factory loaded packages like the LED light package, comfort package, 360 camera, factory swivel seats, and a 7-inch media screen. Let's start with the exterior. This color that Mercedes offers is one of my favorites. It's called Stone Gray. We installed these Vanspeed Capsoles that we wrapped in satin black. Both capsules have half-slider windows with screens. We also installed full-size windows behind the driver on the sliding door and rear doors. Since this is a 144 wheelbase, it can tend to feel a little tight, but having the 360 windows all around makes tons of light shine through and makes it feel much more open. This van has a Backwoods Adventure Mods roof rack and side ladder. Mounted to the roof rack is a Pathfinder Light bar and solar panels. This roof rack has multiple crossbars to mount other components such as walkable panels, more solar panels, a Starlink, or even an awning. On the rear of the van, we installed Baja Design's reverse light kit, which we installed a 3-way switch so you can use it whether you're in the front or the back of the van. It also comes with a factory step here, so it gives you easy access to the rear. Before we head inside, please show us some love on our video by liking and subscribing and sharing with your friends. We're a custom van building company based out of Jacksonville, Florida, and we're really passionate about what we do. We offer fully custom builds and work with all different types of people and styles. For more information, check out all of our links below and give us a follow on Instagram. We love how these finishes came out. We used gray upholstery for the walls and ceiling, painted the cabinet frames light blue, and used hickory for the cabinet faces and butcher block for the countertops. The flooring is a marine vinyl that's super durable and waterproof from Lawn Seal. This van has a new sound system that isn't even on the market yet. Designed by Go Code in Michigan, the system includes 2 B-pillar speakers, 2 rear door speakers, and a subwoofer underneath the passenger seat. The best part about this system is it allows you to use it while the van's running, or while it's off you can use it via Bluetooth. Behind the driver's seat is a huge kitchen cabinet with tons of drawer storage. Each drawer has a soft close slide with magnets so it doesn't open up while you're coming down the road. This lower drawer here holds the Laveo dry flush toilet. This is a great toilet and it's one of the easiest ways to deal with waste in a camper van. It uses cartridges, so all you have to do is push this button, it'll seal your waste and drop it into a trash bag. Each cartridge has about 10 to 15 uses. Once you're out, you just take out the trash bag and throw away your waste. Above the kitchen cabinet, we added this cute little shelf and also a 3-in-1 air fryer, convection oven, and microwave, which allows you to cook almost anything on the go. Next to the cabinet, we added a closet with hanging storage above, added 2 more drawers here, and a faux drawer on the bottom that has a 4-gallon hot water heater. Mounted on the side of the closet is your control panel. This has your Victron Touch 50, which allows you to monitor your electrical system and water tank levels. We included dimmers for your lights, 120 and 12 volt outlets, the bed control, and switches for your water pump, water heater, and release valves. On the passenger side, there's another cabinet with the Dometic CRX 110 fridge and freezer combo, and then a large kitchen sink with even more storage underneath. The rear has 2 bench seats with 2 tables on Lagoon swivel mounts that convert into a small bed. We have an elevator bed above. Let me show you how to set it up. For climate control, we installed a Nomadic X3 AC system, a max air fan, and we also insulated it with 2 layers of 3M Thinsulate. Inside the driver bench is our water system. The water system contains a 30-gallon custom fresh water tank, pump, and accumulator. There's also some room for soft goods and storage. The van also has a 16 gray water tank. Inside the passenger side bench is our 12-volt Victron electrical system. It has 2 200-amp-hour lithium batteries, a 3,000-watt inverter charger, solar charge controller, and 50-amp DC to DC charger. This van has 3 ways to charge: shore, alternator charging, and solar power. The cabinet has fans on either sides connected to a temperature relay, so when the cabinet hits 85 degrees, it will automatically kick on until it's back down to 75 degrees. On the back side of the van, we added even more storage, included an additional 120 and 12-volt outlet over here, along with your reverse lights, and on the back side of this bench is your outdoor shower. Oh, I had my sunglasses on top. That concludes the rest of our tour, guys. Again, my name's Kelsey with Beachside Custom Vans. This van is for sale and it's not going to last long, so definitely get in contact with us. We have links down below, or you can email Alex at beachsidecustomvans.com. Thanks so much for watching.